Some die-cast cars are collectible because they're rare, others because they're expensive. But this little Mini became famous for a completely different reason. If you've ever watched Mr. Bean, you'll recognize it instantly. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Matchbox Mr. Bean Mini and seeing whether it's a must-have for collectors. Even if you've never owned a classic Mini, chances are you've seen this one. Mr. Bean's little car became a television icon thanks to its quirky personality and unforgettable moments throughout the series. This Matchbox version features a yellow body with the signature black bonnet, giving collectors a fun take on one of the most recognizable cars in TV history. Matchbox has done a fantastic job recreating the Mini in miniature form. The proportions look accurate, the chrome grille is nicely detailed, and the famous black bonnet immediately catches your eye. Even though it's a small die-cast model, there's plenty of character packed into it. The simple wheel design also suits the era of the real car perfectly. Like most modern Matchbox models, this Mini features a metal body with a plastic base, giving it a nice balance between durability and detail. The paint finish is smooth, the wheels roll well, and despite its size, it feels solid in the hand. While there aren't any opening parts, the quality of the casting more than makes up for it. If you're a Mr. Bean fan, a Mini enthusiast, or simply enjoy collecting Matchbox cars, this is an easy recommendation. It's affordable, instantly recognizable, and represents one of television's most iconic vehicles in a compact, well-made model. It's the kind of collectible that's fun to display and instantly starts conversations. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more die-cast reviews, Lego builds, 3D printing projects, and collectibles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.